Super ship Wirbelwind. Mission imperative: sink this ship. As the previous mission was a success, the Wirbelwind is now unable to use its awesome speed. It is the best opportunity that we will have. You must attack the Wirbelwind. Even though it cannot reach full speed, the Wirbelwind is still extremely fast. To counter this, your ship must also have a good turn of speed, in addition to defensive capability. We have faith in your command skills. Prepare to embark. Good luck.
Super ship Wirbelwind on attack heading. Sunk. Anti-air alert! Anti-air alert! Enemy ship sunk! Objective achieved. Depart this sector.
The Wirbelwind has been sunk. This super ship has been destroyed. A brilliant victory which may help our friends and crewmates to rest in peace. That enemy supership was a symbol of Empire power. Its sinking has raised the morale of the FF tremendously. But this victory has caused the Empire forces stationed worldwide to react with force. They have begun to take this little rebellion seriously. Further combat is sure to be fierce. Also, there is no doubt that this ship has been marked for Empire surveillance. Still, we must seize this golden opportunity. This is the chance we have waited for. The chance to release the world from the unforgiving grip of the Empire.